Rub a banana peel on your face and watch what happens. It's really amazing. Besides moisturizing the skin and preventing wrinkles, thanks to the banana peel we can eliminate bruises. Place it on the affected area to accelerate healing. The banana peel is also beneficial for many aspects of our health. We tell you some uses of the banana peel so that you take full advantage of all its benefits. 1. Get rid of the warts. To carry it out, you will need a bandage and a piece of peel. Cut a piece of skin, apply the inner part on the wart and hold it with a bandage. Leave it on all night. The next day, remove the bandages and let the skin breathe. At night, repeat the procedure again. Perform daily until the wart loosens. 2. Against acne. In just a few minutes, you will have an acne mask capable of regenerating the skin, preventing scars and without causing any skin damage. You can even carry it out if you want to prevent or fight wrinkles, and as a moisturizing mask. Cleanse your face very well with water and neutral soap. Then rub the inner part of the shell over the entire face, for a few seconds covering the entire surface. When it dries, you will feel the most tense skin. Leave on for 30 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. 3. As a cleaning detergent. The uses of the banana peel are not limited only to beauty tasks. You can also use it to polish furniture, silverware or leather shoes. Rub the outside of the shell on all items to be polished, as long as they have a smooth surface. 4. To whiten teeth. Every day, twice a day, rub the inner part of the banana peel over the entire dental surface. In a few weeks you will notice amazing results. 5. To treat insect bites. You can crush a little peel along with some olive oil and apply on the bites to relieve pain, itching and inflammation. It also works to prevent redness or rashes.